Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question, x minus square root of x, which is equal to x into square root of x minus x and its whole square root, and from this given equation we will find the value of x. So first of all, to solve this equation we will take square on both sides. So it will become x minus square root of x whole square, which is equal to x into square root of x minus x whole square root and its square. So from here square and square root will be cancelled out and we have remaining x minus square root of x whole square. So it is the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And here a is equal to x and b is equal to square root of x. So a square means x square plus b square means square root of x square minus 2a means x and square root of x, which is equal to x into square root of x minus x. Now square and square root will be cancelled out, so it will become x square plus x minus 2 times x into square root of x, which is equal to x square root of x minus x. Now from this equation we will combine like terms, x square plus x and this negative x will become positive x, and from here x square root of x plus 2 times x square root of x. So x square plus 2x, which is equal to 3 times x into square root of x. Here is no coefficient, it's mean 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we will again take square root on both sides. So x square plus 2x whole square, which is equal to 3x square root of x and its square. Now in the left hand side we have the form of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a is equal to x square and b is equal to 2x. So it will become a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, and from here it will become 9 x square and square root will be cancelled out into x. So it will become x raised to the power 4 plus 2 squares means 4x square, and from here it will become 4 x square into x will become x cube, and it is 9x cube. So now we will combine like terms, so again we will write it as x4 plus 4x square plus 4x cube minus 9x cube, which is equal to 0. So it will become x raised to the power 4 plus 4x square negative 5x cube, which is equal to 0. Now we can see that here we have x raised to the power 2 is common, so it will become x square plus 4 minus 5x, which is equal to 0. So here we have two cases, that x square is equal to 0, and from here x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. From here we will take square root on both sides, so it will become x is equal to 0. Second case, which is a quadratic equation. So we will solve it by factorization. So 1 into 4 will be 4. So product should be equal to 4 and sum should be equal to negative 5. Now we will take factors of 4, which are 4 and 1. If we take negative 4x and negative 1x plus 4, which is equal to 0, so it is same as negative 5x, and product will be negative into negative positive, 4 1 time 4. So from here we will take common x and it will become x minus 4, and from here negative 1 is common. So x negative into positive will become negative 4, which is equal to 0. So again x minus 4 is common. So it will become x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from here again we have two cases, that x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to 4 and from here x is equal to 1. So here we have three values of x, which are 0, 4 and 1. Now we will check that x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1 satisfy our given equation or not for x is equal to 0. So we will put the value of x here. So it will become 0 minus square root of 0, which is equal to 0 into square root of 0 minus 0 and its whole square root. So 0 is equal to 0. Okay? Now x is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1, it will become 1 minus square root of 1, which is equal to 1 into square root of 1 minus 1 and its whole square root. So it will become 1 minus square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1, so 1 1 time 1 minus 1 square root. So 0 is equal to 1 minus 1 0 and 0 square root is also equal to 0. Now we will check it for x is equal to 4. So it will become 4 minus square root of 4, which is equal to 4 into square root of 4 minus 4 and its whole square root of 4. So it will become 4 minus square root of 4 is 2, which is equal to 4 into 2 minus 4 and its whole square root. So it will become 2 is equal to 8 minus 4 and its whole square root. So 2 is equal to square root of 4 and square root of 4 is equal to 2. So both sides are equal. It's mean all the values of x, which are 0, 1 and 2, satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.